What is social media marketing and its strategies? Social media marketing, SMM, is the practice of using social media platforms to promote a product, service, or brand. In recent years, SMM has become an integral part of many marketing strategies, as social media platforms offer a wide reach and targeting options for businesses of all sizes. Effective SMM requires a combination of engaging content, targeted advertising, and active engagement with followers and customers. Here are some key strategies for successful social media marketing. Develop a clear strategy. Before diving into social media marketing, it's important to have a clear understanding of your goals and target audience. What do you want to achieve with your social media presence? Who is your target audience, and what are their interests and social media habits? Once you have a clear strategy, you can develop content that resonates with your audience and drives engagement. Create engaging content. Creating engaging content is one of the most important aspects of SMM. Your content should be relevant, informative, and visually appealing. You can use a variety of formats, such as text, images, videos, and infographics, to convey your message. Additionally, it's important to post consistently and at the right times for your audience. Run targeted advertising campaigns. Social media platforms offer powerful targeting options for advertising campaigns. You can target users based on their demographics, interests, behaviors, and even past interactions with your brand. This allows you to reach the right people with your message, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Engage with followers and customers. Engaging with your followers and customers is an important part of SMM. Responding to comments and messages in a timely manner shows that you value their input and are dedicated to providing excellent customer service. Additionally, you can use social media to gather feedback and insights from your audience, which can help inform future marketing strategies. Partner with influencers. Influencer marketing has become a popular way for brands to reach new audiences on social media. By partnering with influencers in your industry or niche, you can leverage their existing following to promote your brand. However, it's important to choose influencers who align with your brand values and have an engaged and relevant audience. Measure and refine your strategy. Finally, it's important to measure the success of your social media marketing efforts and refine your strategy accordingly. You can use social media analytics tools to track metrics such as engagement, reach, and conversions, and use this data to optimize your content and advertising campaigns. Choose the right platforms. There are a wide variety of social media platforms available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. It's important to choose the right platforms for your brand and target audience. For example, if you're targeting a younger demographic, platforms such as TikTok or Instagram may be more effective than Facebook or LinkedIn. Use hashtags and keywords. Hashtags and keywords can be powerful tools for increasing the visibility of your social media content. By using relevant hashtags and keywords, you can make your content more discoverable to users who are interested in your industry or niche. Use user-generated content. User-generated content, UGC, can be a valuable asset for your social media marketing strategy. By encouraging your followers and customers to create and share content related to your brand, you can increase engagement and build a sense of community around your brand. Be authentic and transparent. In today's digital age, authenticity and transparency are key values for many consumers. It's important to be honest and transparent in your social media marketing efforts, and to avoid misleading or false claims. Additionally, it's important to develop a distinct brand voice and personality that resonates with your audience. Stay up to date with trends and changes. Social media platforms are constantly evolving, and it's important to stay up to date with changes and trends in the industry. For example, the rise of short-form video content on platforms such as TikTok and Instagram has led to new opportunities for brands to engage with their audience. By staying informed and adapting your strategy accordingly, you can stay ahead of the curve and maintain a competitive edge in your industry. Overall, social media marketing is a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience and promote their brand. By developing a clear strategy, creating engaging content, and engaging with your followers and customers, you can build a strong presence on social media and achieve success in your marketing efforts.